Welcome back. Today, Josh and I are talking about decking.
We're not talking about, I'm gonna blow your mind.
Composite decking. And I will just let you know, I know almost everything there is to know about this decking, and the reason is Josh hasn't shut up about it for the last 2 months.
Because being in the field, I have never seen a decking this good before. So this is NewTechWood's
NewTechWood.
Ultra Shield Natural. Yes, this is a decking board that they make. They make other stuff too, you know, siding and stuff like that. We're talking about the decking boards. So this is the closest thing I have found to maintenance-free decking. That you don't, no staining, no painting, no oiling, no none of that stuff. So the core is made of 100% recycled material.
So it's not ever going to mold or rust or rust
no,
or mold or
no,
rot.
you do need to seal the ends with a water base.
Okay.
You do have to do that because it's got light wood fibers in it still.
Right.
So, but what I love is they have this it's a proprietary blend of plastics for the cap, and they actually run this through an extruder, and it literally fuses the cap with the core.
And it's wrapped all the way around.
Yeah, it's 100%. So that's the biggest deal right now.
So, and just to back up a little bit, nowadays, before we had composite woods, that was just composite. It was a mixture of materials, and now then they started capping the composite with, I forget what, it's not poly, it's not PVC, it's something else, but it's better than PVC actually because it doesn't stain, it doesn't scratch, it's better UV, it doesn't get as hot, it's really, so the whole industry is kind of going towards this capped composite.
Yes.
But what's nice about this stuff, it's capped all the way around.
100%. It's not capped and then grooved out where it's exposed. And that's where you get a lot of your cracking and your flaring, your blistering. When the moisture has an opportunity to get in there, that's where you start running into problems. You're trying to keep that out. And that's why every time you cut an end, you got to seal it at least with a water-based sealer to keep that from getting in there. So another really cool thing that I love is it comes in 2 grains. Like, who does that? That's awesome. Now, these start in 8-foot lengths and they come in 20-foot lengths. They make skirt boards you can get and stuff like that for risers on your stairs too. But
many decking companies have hidden fastener systems. What's nice, what Josh likes about this one, I believe, is that it has a smaller gap, which is nice. Because some hidden fasteners, they leave a big giant gap.
Smaller, 360 force.
360 force.
I know. Sorry, that's mind-blowing for me because I like tight gaps because not a lot of stuff can fall down there, especially on those ground decks on grade.
It just feels better on your feet.
Yes,
it's better for
toe stubbers.
high heels. What really sold me in the end is the price. And this stuff is in the
This is $5 to $6
so
a
really,
square foot.
It's really better than 9 out of 10 products out there, and it's one of the lowest price products you're going to find.
I don't know. They're very impressive. I didn't know about them back in the day. I found out about, and I've installed a lot of decking, and by far 100%. This is not a sponsored video.
If you haven't noticed,
this is my favorite decking.
He's sold on this stuff.
I am. And Mark, the colors. They have nice.
It's good. Yep.
They look very nice. You put them in the sun, they look awesome. The two-toning stuff, the grain, they did. I don't know. NewTechWood did an awesome job on this.
NewTechWood, capped composite decking.
Yes, fully capped composite decking.
He's a fan. We'll see you next time.